Are you ready to step into your home at sea? Welcome aboard Royal Caribbean's Voyage of the Seas. In today's video, I'll be showcasing an exclusive balcony stateroom tour, showing you every detail, every perk, and even a few hidden secrets that will make your cruise experience unforgettable. If you love cruising, hit that like button and subscribe for more insider tips, ship tours, and expert advice to make your next vacation stress-free and absolutely epic. Let's get started. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and cozy atmosphere. This isn't just any hotel room. This is your personal oceanfront retreat. Right away, you will notice the modern sleek design with warm lighting, plenty of storage, and most importantly, your very own private balcony. But before we get there, let's break down everything inside this room. Guys, there's so much beauty to showcase in this room. I really don't even know where to start from, but I think I have a plan. Let's start with the centerpiece of the room, this super comfortable Royal King bed, which can also be split into two twins, perfect if you're traveling with a friend or family member. Trust me, after a long day offshore excursions, this is exactly where you want to crash. Let's move to your storage space. Over here, we've got a spacious closet with plenty of hangers. Guys, this is the reason why you really don't have to bring your hangers. If you feel that you don't have enough hangers in your room, you can always request your attendant to get you more hangers. They even have a safe for your valuables and even shelves for shoes or small bags. Here is a pro tip. Bring some magnetic hooks. The walls are metal, so they are perfect for hanging hats, lanyards, or extra storage bags. That is if you need it. Moving over to the living space, here you'll get a comfy sofa, and some cabins even have a pull-out bed if you're traveling with more than 2 people. Still in the living space, they also have a vanity area. This is your to-go-to spot when you want to get ready. You've got a well-lit mirror, and they also have plenty of counter space. As you can see, our space is filled with all our personal stuffs and bags because you're still getting to settle in. Plus, they also have extra drawers to keep your essentials organized. I feel this is very comfortable and they're very thoughtful to all their passengers. Darlings, here is the game changer. They also have a mini fridge which is perfect for keeping your drinks cold. With Royal Caribbean, they will allow you to bring at least 1 or 2 bottles of wine from outside, so you can utilize that fridge to put your drinks. I feel that is very thoughtful of them again. And also, if you have like a package of sodas that you've purchased, water, any drinks that you really want to put in there, it's not so big so you cannot crowd it, so it's just for mostly those drinks that you need to keep cold whenever you're in the room, and you can refresh yourself when you're in the room. And don't forget, you can always ask your room attendant to get you some ice. Now let's talk about the bathroom. It's compact but well designed. You've got a stand-up shower with a glass door instead of those clinky curtains. There's also a shelf for your toiletries, but if you like extra space, I recommend you bring a hanging toiletry bag where you can hang toiletry bag behind the bathroom door. There's also a sink with storage underneath and even a built-in razor outlet for electric shavers. And if you're wondering about shampoo and body wash, yes, they provide it, but you might want to bring your own if you're picky when it comes to your personal toiletries. And now guys, the highlight of the room, your very own private balcony. This is where you sip your morning coffee, watch those sunrise and sunsets, or just soak in those breathtaking ocean views. The balcony is very mind-blowing and magical for this experience. Depending on your stateroom, you will have 2 comfortable chairs and a small table, perfect for enjoying room service or just relaxing after a day of adventure. For us, we did book the back of the ship, so our balcony was a little bit big, so we had chairs and we also had some lounge pool chairs. Moving forward to your door, they do have some specific instructions to be followed for the entire duration of your cruise. At the back of your entrance door, you will find your nearest exit in case of an emergency, instructions on how to use your life vest jackets, your deck number or floor, your master station, the diagram of the ship, and the instructions on how to close the door to avoid any injuries or accidents. If you found this tour helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise tips, ship tours, and must-know secrets before sail. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure. Bon voyage.
You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted.